Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Tips and Tricks. Today I am going to tell you what is Swedish. Swedish is basically a language which is used in the country Sweden. And in Sweden, all the people living in the country Sweden, they speak Swedish. It's mandatory language there. And if you want to find a job and do some work there, you need to know Swedish. There are many companies which prefer English as well, but it's very important. If you have a little bit knowledge of Swedish, then you can find a job very easily there. So let's start learning about Swedish. So basically, why you I want to explain here why you need to learn Swedish. So as I said before as well, like if you learn Swedish, you can find a job very easily. And you know, now is the time of Corona. There are many people who are losing their job opportunities and their jobs and their work. They are very stressful. They are in a very stressful situation. No jobs available. So everybody, and the one thing also that everybody wants to work in abroad. So if you want to work in a country like Sweden, I prefer you should learn Swedish. So in my channel, I will try to teach you a little how to speak Swedish, or maybe a basics about Swedish, because I live here in Sweden more than 8 years now, and I can talk Swedish. I understand Swedish. I use Swedish in my company where I work. So my background is Indian. I am Indian, but when I came to Sweden, I started learning Swedish, and then finally I am able to learn. I am able to talk. I am able to understand what they say, and even in my working environment, I speak Swedish, technical Swedish as well. So that's why I am prepared. Like I have a confidence. Like maybe I can help you guys and teach you some basic knowledge of Swedish, so that if you want to come in this country, if you want to work in Sweden, if you want to are planning to live in Sweden, so it will be easy for you to understand at least a basic of Swedish, so that you can move here. Yeah, it's very easy. Yeah, if you know some languages, or a country where you are moving, if you know the language of that country, so it will be easy for you to manage the things. It is not compulsory for job, but yeah, you can find some job for English speaking companies as well here in Sweden. But for the local people, for the government companies, or might be you need to talk with some person in Sweden for some grocery things and some buying, selling things. So in that area also you need to speak in Swedish. At least you need to understand. Not all the people in Sweden talks English. If you talk with them in Swedish, even if you try with them in Swedish, they encourage you. They never put you down like why you are saying bad or why you are saying wrong. Never. I have feel proud to be here, because in the beginning when I was learning this language, I speak very too much wrong things, and but I was very frankly person, so I speak directly. I never think like whether I'm saying wrong or right. So that's why it helped me to learn this language. But still they never told me like no, you are wrong here. But I mean, they never insulted me. So this is a positivity here. Like if you want to learn, they will encourage you, they will help you. You can ask vapati dade. I will tell you what is this, what I am saying. But if you ask what is the meaning of this, so they will tell you. They will never discourage you like why you are asking. No, if this is the very important and very good thing about Swedish guys. Like, they help each other, they are very trustworthy person. So it is a very nice country. If you want to work here, if you want to move here, it is a very nice country. I will recommend you to come here and enjoy your life. So that's what I wanted to tell you in this video, like what is Swedish, why you need to learn Swedish, like why this country is very nice, and why what is the role of Swedish in your if you want to move here. So I think you understand my point, and hope you will like this video. Please like, share and comment. If you want to learn from me what is the background and how we can learn Swedish, what are the lessons, and I will explain everything day by day. And this is my first video, so I want to encouragement from you guys. If you want to learn Swedish, just comment me in this video, and yeah, like, share and subscribe, so that I can make some good videos about this topic and help you guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Hej då. In the Swedish, if we say bye bye, so in Swedish we say hej då. So okay, hej då.